This is a 2007 BMW Z4 3.0, one owner with 99,000 miles. A little back history on this vehicle. This has been our car since it's had about 60,000 miles on it, and it was used for company purposes, and we are deciding to sell it. It has been fully serviced. The vehicle is running. It needs nothing mechanically or cosmetically. On top of that, we offer a best price guarantee. If you find a comparable one for sale in our market, please let us know and we will gladly beat their price. So yep, you're getting a certified pre-owned vehicle with a best price guarantee. Not going to find that anywhere in the market. For pricing, pictures, and undercarriage pictures showing that it's being rust free, please feel free to visit our website, autoparadisetx.com. That's autoparadisetx.com. This thing has been fully serviced for the last 39,000 miles. Again, needs nothing mechanically or cosmetically. It is in absolutely great condition for its age. Everything works on it. I'll do my best to show you every angle. This is a super clean car, Carfax certified. You're not going to find a door ding on this thing. It is very clean. Okay, so this is triple black, so it has black leather interior, just in great condition. No rips, no stains, no wear marks. We have the original floor mats, no cracked dash, heated seats, power top, which we'll show you working in just a second, automatic transmission. Again, 99,000 miles. We have both keys. Power seats, memory seats. Just in really, really good condition for its age. Power windows, locks, mirrors, cruise. All right, now we're going to show you the top operation. Top works like it should. Say hi, Gretchen.
Hi, y'all.
Okay, and we're going to go back up. And there you go. All right, so again, this is a 2007 BMW Z4, one owner, in wonderful condition, 99,000 miles. What a fun car, fully serviced, needs nothing, really is super clean.